The make of charcoal briquettes. Mr. Kayondo Muzafalu, a former chapati seller in town, developed a brilliant idea after COVID-19 made him sit home for a long time. He decided to learn how to make charcoal briquettes, which has made him a big manufacturer. And right now, he owns a company and has employed several youths.
My name is Kayondo Muzafalu Mayoyo. I'm a resident of Makerere 3. Kalewe Sabina Zone. That's where I do conduct my business. I started this business after the first phase of COVID. I had my friends who were in such a business, but for me I was in town. I was at Parker View. I was selling chapatis and textbooks. But at the close during the COVID-19 first phase, we were idle for all that time. Then after that, phase 1, I developed this idea of briquettes. The idea, I got it from a friend that is called Seguya and Bashir Wama. For them, Bashir Wama is a teacher, but he was partly doing this business. So during that time, he persuaded me to start this business. So the challenges I got during that time forced me to start the business.
Muzafalu says that if you go through the right process and master the business, one needs only 3 million to start making charcoal briquettes.
For the start, if you have nothing, it can cost like 10 M. But if at all you don't know what to do, but if you know what to do, even if you have like 3 million, you can start. Because the place where to work, sometimes if you have your own place, it's okay. But if you are to rent, then the machine, the material, building the dryer, all of that, it can cost you like 10 M. And now we use different machines, like for example, this is called briquette sticks. We use a different machine, and this one is called honeycomb. Also we use the machine which produce this one, they are not the same, they are different. So we need an extruder which produces these briquette sticks. Then there is that machine of this honeycomb. It's also called honeycomb machine. Then we need the mixer, which we use to mix the chocolate dust. Then we need the crusher. We use it in crushing the crystals in charcoal dust. Those are the main machines.
The raw materials needed to make charcoal briquettes are available in most parts of the country.
Now, for this one is called charcoal briquettes. For these charcoal briquettes, we get charcoal dust. We get charcoal dust as cassava flour. We prepare it like porridge. Then there is molasses, and a little bit of clay. We mix, and after mixing, we produce these charcoal briquettes. For these honeycombs, again we get charcoal dust, clay, and sometimes we mix in molasses, which increases its flaming. The entire process takes a day from mixing but for us here, what we normally do, we mix today and we produce the next day.
This particular business needs at least 5 employees to provide enough manpower for a higher rate of production due to the high demand from their final consumers.
A minimum of 5 boys.
5 boys, strong boys.
Yeah, a minimum of 5 strong boys. But even if You have 20 of them, 10 of them. It depends on your capacity of production in the place you have. They can, because even me during holiday time, I have my girl, she's in senior 3, and sometimes even my wife come and help me. The other thing that she has gone to prepare lunch for the kids. Yeah, even ladies do it very well. No, not only boys. For I've said boys because they're the ones I have to prefer. But during holiday, I have my girl in the senior 3. She gets the pocket money, the requirements from here. For me, I only pay for her school, and we agreed that for me I pay school fees. The rest, she comes here and work the whole day, and I pay her 10,000 per day. There are some soft works you can do, for example, like recording, cleaning around, cooking for us here, and supervising.
Tomorrow, in our part 2 of this story, we are going to see the challenges Muzafalu has faced and the benefits he has gained from his manufacturing company.